Hope you guys enjoyed my previous video. So right now we're going to change him. What is dream in my brain in this happy city? So today we're going to be talking about 7 weird things that guys do that I find strange. I don't know about you. Ever since I was a little girl, I've always been curious to know how guys act the way they do. I was born into a family of 8. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters. Wow, you are large. Do I really say that? But after having 5 brothers, I still don't know a damn thing about guys. Like why they do the weird stuff they do, like taking selfie in the mirror without shirt. Oh, my brother loved doing that. Speak of the devil. Like how they bathe so fast. Divine, I thought you went to the bathroom like 2 minutes ago.
I'm done.
Seriously? Divine,
What?
I thought your watch was supposed to be on your left hand, not right.
No, it's supposed to be there.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't know why guys think they know more about certain things than we ladies do. I don't know why they take so long to do this.
Hello.
Hi!
Yeah.
I don't know why guys never notice anything.
Through by Hamshik, taken on by Insigne.
I don't know why guys act like complete idiots when their bros are around. I don't know why guys always make fun of girls' hand on hip pose. But come to think of it, they also do that ducky pose on their bros pics. I know a lot of girls who want to discover this mystery about guys. So guys, follow me as you unlock this mystery about boys. But first, I'll have to be a boy to uncover this mystery. So in my next video, I'll be a boy for a whole day. Watch out, it's going to be amazing. Imagine me a boy, oh my god. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel to get more amazing videos. Hello guys, it's still me, Peace.